if you weren't great, then they wouldn't focus and fixate on trying to destroy you. You are a person that focuses on themselves. You focus on bettering yourself and becoming a better version to yourself. You always want to seek truth and knowledge, and you are highly intelligent. You are a person that, doesn't like to necessarily involved with any gossip or drama, but I also think you were unfortunately looked down upon. Some people may have felt that because you didn't earn a certain amount of money, or you weren't from a certain family, or whatever the case is, this made people try and look down upon you, or try and make you feel less than, try to isolate you in some regard. This could be people that you work with, that you go to college with, or that you go to university with. But the thing is, even though they try to make you feel less than, there was still a niggling feeling within them as to why they were still thinking and fixated on you, because your energy is very potent, my darling, and these individuals sense that your energy was very intense. They also sensed that, you were attracting other people, people were drawn to you, people liked you, you lift the vibe of the environment that you belong to. You retain a certain, essence that is hard to ignore. You're very high vibrational. You have a lot of stamina. And it made these individuals, or this person, feel left out in the cold, because they were very threatened by your beauty, your talent, your grace. You are magnetic, charismatic. Your energy is very sparkly, and you're very humble and graceful. You can connect to different people from all walks of life, and you remain humble. And these individuals, or this person, tried their best to try and turn your life upside down, because they did not want you to go into, towards, I should say, your purpose. They could foresee that with your talent, your skills, your attributes, your looks, or whatever, I know that's very 3D based, but I'm going to be real, you are going to accomplish a great deal in this life. And they wanted to steer you off your path. They didn't want you to win. And for some of you, they tried to come between a love relationship, and unfortunately it worked for some of you. They were able to manipulate either yourself or another person from moving away from each other. This person is very territorial, they're very obsessed, and they wanted you to be confused, or they wanted another person to be confused, or friends that you were connecting with, they wanted your friends to be confused about you. But karma has stepped in. The scales are balancing, and they're balancing in your favor. Your family will be reunited. You will connect with your true soul tribe. So even if you lost friends or a partner, unfortunately, you will reunite with a new friend, a new soul tribe, or a new partner. I feel like you are going to be walking away from these individuals, or a person that was manipulated in the past is going to be walking away. You are on your way to stability. You are destined for success. You are destined for some of you, fame and recognition. Some of you are going to be proposed to. Some of you are going to actually get married. Some of you are going to get those keys for your new home that you will own. You are moving towards a new job opportunity, job of your dreams is what I'm hearing. You could own your own business. You will be running your own business. Or for some of you, people in positions of power will want to collaborate with you, will want to help you further your career. You are moving towards a new destiny. And this individual mind that your destiny is not in their hands, and they are realizing that you are special. They tried to downplay who you were, but now they're realizing that you are special, because if you wasn't special, they wouldn't be so fixated on trying to destroy you.